You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you.
It's Naeyeol, welcome back to my channel. I already put on an amount of moisturizer on my face. Now I'm gonna put on the same Pat Concealer in the shade Rich Beige. Using my ring finger all over my face because I look like a zombie. Then I will blend my concealer using a dry makeup sponge. I'm using the foundation from Tokyo. This is also the foundation that I've used from my e-girl transformation inspired look. Now I'm using this BB mineralized powder with SPF 50 PA+++. I know it doesn't matter but share ko lang. I'm gonna bake my under eye area with it using a clean dry makeup sponge. And also gonna set my eyelids. Next, eyebrows. Using this darkish brownish eyebrow pencil. And I don't know the brand because it's already chipped in with and it's ready. Mauubos na. And just gonna fill in the sparse area of my eyebrows and lightly brushing it. Next is eyeshadow using this taupey brown shade of color. And I'm just gonna apply it all over my eyelids. Also using the same color on my lower eyelids. Next, I'm gonna be using a lighter brown shade to have some little dimension, just right in the middle. Using the darker brown shade, I'm gonna kind of start contouring my nose near my eyes to give it a little definition. Then we will dust off the excess powder. First, I use the same eyebrow pencil that I use on my eyebrows to line my eyes, but it doesn't work. So, as you can see, it looks So I'm just gonna use this color red multi-purpose pigment with a small clean brush. See that? That's what I'm talking about. This is me pretending that this is the first time I'm gonna be using mascara in this makeup look, but apparently the first time I tried putting on mascara, it is not recorded, but that's okay because that's the makeup trend back then. The clumpier the mascara, the spidery it looks, the better. So sis, we're just gonna let it dry.
I know what you're thinking. Why did she put mascara before curling her eyelashes? But sis, my eyelashes doesn't work that way. I should put on the mascara before curling it. Otherwise, it will go down again.
But sis, I'm gonna teach you how to properly curl your eyelashes that last the whole day in the future. So stay tuned. Next, I'm using this bronzer from Bench. By the way, I use this as a contour for my face. Next, I'm using this MAC Blood Powder in the shade Medium. And just gonna brush off my face to smooth it out. Also gonna use the Colourette pigment as a blusher, but I forgot that it is really pigmented. So if you're gonna use it, just dot it on your face. I'm gonna be using the same product in the shade Robin on the outer part of my lips. Then I'm using Revlon liquid lipstick in the shade Passion in the inner part of my lips to have that gradient effect so that the brown lipstick will not look very flat. And I'm also using the Colourette highlighter in the shade Yellow Diamond. This is my final 90s inspired makeup look. I hope you guys like it.
You're just too good.